Welcome back to RP Automation. In today's video, we will show you how to create your first bot in Automation Anywhere A360 from scratch. Whether you are a beginner or just getting started, this video is for you. So just open your browser and hit the Automation Anywhere control room URL. And first log into your Automation Anywhere control room. So once you are in, go to in the Automation tab. So this is the Automation tab. And click on this create icon and click on taskbar. And here we need to give meaningful name. So we are going to give our first bot name. First, click on create and edit. You can add a description also, like this is my first test bot, and then click on create. So you can see this is our workspace. This is our workspace. Here we can drag and drop our actions from this package. This is action panel, and you can see here our action detail. Like if you want to see uh, variable value, then this value we can see here. Right. So from here we can able to create our variables. Different types of variable we can create here. These two variables is by default available will be in the Automation Anywhere control room. So once your bot is created, the bot editor open, then this where we will add actions from the left panel. So from this action panel, we can add our actions step by step. And as of now, we can do just a message box. So just if you, which is action you want to take from this workspace, just you need to search your action name, like a message box. I want to take message box right now. So just drag and drop message box action in the workspace. And here we can give our action. Like I want to give in the message box. File. Just click on this save button. And if you want to run our bot, you want to run your bot, just click on run button. So this is run button. Just click on that. The bot will execute and we will see the message box pop up on our screen. So it is now it is deploying to computer and it's downloading dependencies to execute our bot. You can see here bot is running pop-up is visible, and you can see our message box is executed successfully. You can see here what is executed. So we created our first bot. Right. So we can see one by one tab which is available inside of this automation. So here we can see assistant. Assistance is showing advanced search functionality and all things. We can see here in the assistance tab. And run is simply just run. Using that button, we can able to run our first bot. And debug if you want to run your bot step by step, then we can use this debug option. Or if you want to run your code for the particular line number, for that also we can use this debug also. We can create in the debug enable or disable action. In the hide, we can hide actions also. And if you want to run from the particular action to particular action, if you want to run your bot for the specific piece only, then we can use this assistant or this debug. And here and here we can see all the variables value, in which value is coming. We can see this all things here, right? And here you can see three dots is available. Inside of that, you can see so many tabs are available. If you want to go in the packages, you can see which package you have installed in your control room. This type of all packages you can see here. File properties you can see here. Advanced settings also is there. Keyboard shortcut. Like this, all functionality is available inside of these three dots. And close is simply close. If you want to close and go to the home page, then you can close this. You can close this tab. And using this, you can see here three dots is also available. Using this three dots also, you can perform some action. You can copy, you can cut, you can enable or disable action also from here, or you can delete also. Right, and here is trigger. Here is trigger. If you want to trigger your bot for the specific uh, for the specific action only, then you can choose here different types of actions is available depending upon your requirement. You can choose here your trigger action. Right, and in the end you can see here we are now seeing this our bot is in this format. If you want to see flow, then this look like this. Look like this. You can zoom out, you can zoom in also. And if you want to see in the dual, just click on this dual. So both sides will be available for you if you click on this. Right. So this is our first automation board. It's very simple in automation anywhere. We have explained all things. The next video we are going to do real automation task, or we are going to see this. We are going to explain all these packages one by one. Using this package, how we can use, how where we can use, and what is the importance of that package is all these sections we are going to see one by one in this video series. Right, so you have just created and run your first bot using Automation Anywhere A360, and if that is very simple. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RP Automation for more tutorials. See you in the next video. So till the time, keep automating your tasks.